Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Guys, I wanted to talk to you just a little bit before the end of the video. As I said, I thank you so much for watching today. Guys, in case you didn't know, what I am doing is participating in a collaboration today. Now, once a month, Tammy Thompson, that's Tammy Thompson-TVMG, puts out an open collaboration, and it usually falls on the last Thursday of every month, where we're invited to make some change to our entryway table. Now, I know you just watched a little clip of my entryway table where you got a kind of a close-up look, but before we in the video, I just wanted to kind of explain to you what I did. And I've also linked the video for the March collaboration so you can go back and really see the changes. Now, guys, what I did last month, I added those two buffet lamps, and I decided to keep those. I did change out the candle holders and the candles. And last month I decorated in blue and silver. This month I decided to bring in some pops of pink. So they may not show, the color may not show very well on camera, but those pillows in the front two at least are pink. Then I've got the two pink candles there in a pink floral arrangement. I also swapped out the vase. I had a much shorter vase that I DIY'd there last month. And this month, you see, I switched it out with a taller mercury vase, silver mercury vase. Last month, I also removed all the family pictures. This month, I decided to bring a few back. And I think I also had a runner on the entryway table, a white and silver runner, and I've removed that. So also last month, I spray painted those little silver scroll things there. I don't never know what to call them. They were brown, and last month I spray painted them silver, and I still like them this month, so I'm going to leave them up. And that mirror is a mirror I hauled a few months ago, and I still like it there, so I left that there. But anyway, those are my changes to my entryway table. And guys, we're doing this once a month. The invite goes out, and at the end of every month, the last Thursday, we're going to change something. As Tammy has said, if you just change the floral arrangement, whatever it is, you don't have to do a complete overhaul. So again, please go down and check the description box, because I have the hashtag in the description box as well as the playlist. And again, I have a link to Miss Tammy Thompson-TVMG, to her channel. I don't know if you know her or if you subscribe to her channel, but she's got some great content. You really should go over and pay her a visit, show her some love. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel, I hope you do that. She does great home decor videos, some DIYs, and, you know, a lot of great tablescapes. You know, also, she has just recently started a series where she's doing updating some areas in her home, and she's going to share that with us. So again, I thank you so much for watching. And if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you will hit that subscribe button today. Click that notification bell 2 times. And you know what? I always try to say at the end of every video, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.